Yes.
Welcome back to Tea Time with T. That's Sidem's response after Moncherie released some voice note that Vybz Kartel sent her while he was in prison. But I'll let you guys listen to that later down in the video. But R.I.P. to Coco T. Born in Rocky Point in Clarendon on September 3rd, 1959, Coco T started making his name in Jamaica from 1985 with hits such as Israel's King and much more. He died leaving his wife and 8 kids. So R.I.P. to a legend.
Years now, you call up Yannick name. My name.
I'm not bad man, them man they are waste man, bro. Yo, man gave mother a further mattress, you know, bro. If you come a Florida and fuck that the girl, bro, it's like you never come a Florida yet.
But see, once you touch me woman blood clot name with me pitney, and you go like you all on want violate, go suck your real mother. And blame them. You see, let me tell you this. You see, you know you make me come for you, me go come for you and Kimmy Smith. That's your mother name. Kimmy Smith. I'm gonna come for your brawling, cause your mother is a good mattress too, you know. Me admit say yes, me take my mattress. Me kick my mattress and put you up good. But nobody never take your mother as a mattress yet and put you up. Go suck out your real mother, can't say boy. Handicap the farming batty boy. So when you not come, make sure so you come for me. I left my family name out of it. And the boy that way your power where they used to talk to Yannick, go suck your real mother too. Elbow, you me attack. Go suck out your real mother elbow. You want to look so batty boy. Blame them, you see your mother right, yes sir. Cause when we do things brawling, you know. You see the beautiful lady right, yes sir, when you're Kimmy Smith. The brown in you. Behave your bumbo clot self, and your mother this. Behave yourself. You see this a lady, you behave your bumbo clot self, blame them. You see, you run up in me. But you see, when you go for Yannick, I make all people that come go like they want disrespect me, woman. Me I go disrespect your pussy hole because I say, boy. And you well I don't know where my bumbo ass clot live. I don't never come around that come violate me yet. I rather not shoot me pussy. That me I tell you no.
So after that, blame them, come back again and release the man address and tell people say whoever want to go link him, no, want to go link him before he move, God text us. I try basically to me set up Fish World Dawg, Jesus Christ. So no, check this out.
They think you kill this mommy, ain't Fish Dawg. They don't really think you kill this mommy. Eh? Then you really think you kill this mommy. Alright then come again, start him man. Where else you want to go now? You want me to see in a party and take your mic off the Florida mattress? Next time I do a Tropical Friday again and see you, I go take your mic and say, big up Florida mattress in I be lane. And next time I see Yannick in a Tropical Friday, I go take your mic and call out on the name. You go and disgrace a dirty blood clot. You think your mother than me batty boy? And batty boy Fish Dawg. Me top hide now. Me tell you me top hide long time, you know. If I see me go do interview and show myself, you know. Me top hide, you know. Alright, I want a little off my mattress, so I mean it. I want a little off of the mattress there. Anytime I go a blood clot party and see again night party, I go this up. I go take him mic and this up batty boy, wait. Batty boy Fish Dawg. Boy Fish Dawg, I can't get too much problem. I must see you make Joe analyze, you know, batty boy. And nobody not say nothing, you know. Yes, man, I address that. Fair trade. At this morning paper, the Florida mattress show me comment. Well, gotcha. At this morning, I say, I'm in Florida, baby. Born him in come live. See there, I so. And the boy, yeah, man, I in the man. Go and carry down your blood clot, Fish Dawg. You know, if I'm in a ram. You know, say, I'm minion blam them. People, me done with Fish Dawg, I know, I come down.
Jackie Murray says that Alkaline is a wanted man. Well, let's find out why he said that. Check this out.
You see the artist they were named Alkaline. You know what says a wanted man that? Is a wanted man that. Because there is not a day I go up on the computer, in the internet there. I mean, I hear people ask him. Someone say, if you come out, come give Vybz Kartel a respect. Someone say, if you come out on live, contact him fans them. Some ask when in there. Some of them are say him hide. Some say this. Some say that. And all kind of sitting them I say. And I look into it and I say, but wait. Me never see no artist a holding composure. And every day you go in the internet, in name the pan people tongues. A whole heap of artists me see a holding composure, you know. Quiet and silent, you know. And nobody not talk about them. When me come to think of it, you know, I feel like say Alkaline a be himself, you know. I feel like he might be himself. He look like a son stay in a real life. One thing, you can't go against a man when he might be himself, you know. Yes, every man on this planet supposed to be themselves. And when you be yourself, you can't go wrong. So Alkaline, if I be yourself, just be yourself.
Monterey exposed Vybz Kartel sending voice notes to her while he was in jail dealing with Sidem at the same time. She released these on Instagram 2 days ago, but check this out.
Hey baby, what's up? I'm good. I'm just here chilling. Haven't heard from you in a minute. I was wondering if you're good. I'm good.
And the caption says, LMFAO, laughing my ass off. I does want to leak so much voice note that I have from Vybz Kartel expressing his love and admiration for me. LOLs, it's so funny how people can be so manipulative and just fake. But guess what? I'm more fake and more manipulative, you jackass. Laughing my ass off. I also heard that Sidem is now Mr. Stanley. Laughing my ass off. OMG, soaps in your mother cunt, bitch. But yeah, she's venting and exposing the world boss. You guys tell me what you think about that in the comment section.
Me a woman and me know say front feel good. Why man can't know say front? How the fuck you figure now and body and king of teeth to enjoy that? All if me a one man trans, and me and him there, and me go find out, me a kill him bumbuck like, cause you supposed to tell me that pussy before you make me fall in love with you. Go suck your mother. Virgin in a right. I'm in a business who want burn me out in a right. And me know me alone feel so. Me know me alone feel so about issue I go on. You fix up man. Fix up man. The man them a low lolly out there say, what Jamaica go come to? And we everybody have, we are everybody idol. Let's see Jamaican, we are everybody idol youth. America everywhere. We are Jamaica, are everybody idol. We don't feel like say money not there. Money there. We not supposed to suffer so. But them a use the money the wrong set of thing them youth. Wrong set of thing them a use the money them do youth.
Yeah man, Jamaica is not the same like back in the day. Morals and values and everything that exist. But let me know if this generation is too lost to be saved or even changed. But that's it for now, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, leave a like on the video, and share. I'll see you next time. Bye.